So this is the destroyed hub for the cleaning fan on my 1440. As you'll notice, the welds broke. It was completely separated. I was able to acquire a new old stock hub, and I'm using it as a fixture to repair my original. I have a piece of stock down in there to line up the two bores, some bolts and nuts as spacers, and I will weld that together. And here's the shaft that it sits on. I'm going to polish up this where the hub sits right here, and the bearing, and this would be the side that's the driven side. There's where the bearing sat. This is where the drive pulley sat. Of interesting note, with these GIB keys that hold this in place, they were originally, it was staked in place. It sat in here just like so, up against that stake. And that's to get your position correct. The way this hub sits. See, it's staked in position 2 and in location. Just thought I'd show that for someone else who might be working on it. That key will be a pain to try and remove because it's staked in position. You have to press or drive the hub away from the key.